Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you've just installed an EZSET electronic deadbolt, or you're looking to update your access codes, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into EZSET electronic deadbolt programming instructions, making it super easy for you to set up and manage your lock. This guide is packed with practical tips to ensure your smart home security is always top-notch. Let's get started. Before we jump into the programming steps, let's quickly get familiar with your EZSET electronic deadbolt. These locks are known for their reliability and ease of use, making them a popular choice for home security. You'll typically find a keypad on the exterior for entering codes and a thumb turn on the interior. The programming button and battery compartment are usually located on the interior assembly. Understanding these components is key to smooth EZSET programming. Now for the main event. Adding new user codes to your EZSET electronic deadbolt. Follow these steps carefully, and you'll have new codes programmed in no time. Step 1. Locate the program button. First, you'll need to access the interior side of your deadbolt. Look for a small program button, usually located near the battery pack or under a cover. Press and release this button once. You should hear a beep or see a light flash, indicating the lock is in programming mode. Step 2. Enter your master code, if applicable. If your EZSET deadbolt has a master code, you'll need to enter it now, followed by the lock button. If you haven't set a master code yet, or if your model doesn't require one for adding user codes, you can skip this step. Step 3. Enter the new user code. Next, enter your desired new user code. This should be a 4 to 10-digit code. Choose something memorable but secure. After entering the code, press the lock button. Step 4. Confirm the code. The lock will prompt you to enter the new user code again for confirmation. Enter it one more time, followed by the lock button. You should hear a successful beep or see a green light, confirming your new code has been added. Step 5. Test your new code. Always test your new code. Close your door and use the new code on the exterior keypad to ensure it successfully unlocks your deadbolt. This is a crucial step for verifying your EZSET deadbolt programming. Sometimes you need to remove old codes, maybe a guest has left, or you just want to update security. Here's how to delete user codes from your EZSET electronic deadbolt. Step 1. Enter programming mode. Just like before, press and release the program button on the interior unit once. Step 2. Enter master code, if applicable. If required, enter your master code followed by the lock button. Step 3. Initiate deletion. Refer to your specific EZSET manual, but typically you'll press a specific sequence of numbers, often ZO or EZS, followed by the lock button, and then enter the user code you wish to delete. Confirm with the lock button. The lock will usually provide an audio or visual confirmation of the deletion. Important note: some EZSET models require deleting all codes and reprogramming, or have specific deletion methods. Always check your model's manual for precise EZSET lock instructions. Special tips and FAQs for EZSET programming. Here are a few special tips and answers to common questions that come up with EZSET electronic deadbolt programming. Battery life. Low batteries can sometimes affect programming. If you're having issues, try replacing the batteries first. Master code importance. If your model supports a master code, it's highly recommended to set one up. It adds an extra layer of security and is often required for advanced programming. Factory reset. If you're completely stuck, a factory reset will clear all codes and restore default settings. This usually involves holding down the program button for an extended period or removing batteries in a specific sequence. Consult your manual for the exact process. Multiple codes. Yes, you can typically program multiple unique user codes into your EZSET deadbolt, making it convenient for family members or trusted individuals.